Hasta la vista, baby.
Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I currently have a contest going on. Please look in the description below. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make wood filler out of wood shavings and carpenter's glue. Simple as that. So you want to have your carpenter's glue ready and wood shavings. This wood shavings has to be fine. This wood shavings, you can get it from anywhere when you do woodwork, from chopping up wood. So first, you want to start small. Squeeze like a, we'll say, teaspoon. We'll work with 1 teaspoon. If you need more, you can make more. You just want to make it into a paste. The wood filler, you want to turn this wood filler into a paste. And just mix it. You don't want it too wet. And not too dry. If it's too dry, just add more glue. I mean, if you feel it's too wet, just add more wood shavings. So this is a pretty nice feel to it. It's not too dry and it's not too wet. I'll just move the excess away. Now this is some good wood filler right here. This is 1 teaspoon's worth of wood filler. Will be good for a minor fix. And that's how you make wood filler. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also have a contest going on right now. I'll leave a link in the description below. Peace out.